Can a Traeger ironwood grill hot dogs and hamburgers? Well, we're gonna find out. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, welcome in, welcome back. All right, guys, this video, your idea is, can you just use a Traeger to just about everything you want? Replace your gas grill, your charcoal grill, and just have one grill? And that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna grill some hot dogs and some hamburgers and put this Traeger ironwood to the test. All right, guys, I forgot to hit record, but our grill has been heating up for about 5 minutes. And that's about how long my gas grill would take. Take about 5 minutes to get it up to temp, ready for hot dogs. So, yeah, it's been 5 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and close this down. And we're cooking at 475. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Let's see what we got. Guys, can you replace your gas grill? I'm saying yes, because my gas grill would have been about the same amount of time to get to this stage. Look at this. Now we're gonna go another, we probably won't have to go 5 minutes, we're probably only gonna go 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put, look at this. Wonderful. Good sear marking. Minutes. Just take a quick look at this other side. Guys, these are there. Can you replace your gas grill? I'm gonna say yes. Because you're not I'm gonna say yes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move these over here to this side. If you look at my biscuit video, just know that this side of the grill is a little bit cooler than the other side. And I'm gonna set this to hold because our french fries are not done yet. So we're gonna set this to hold our food while our french fries cook so they can stay nice and plump. Okay, so we had this on hold. Look at that, guys, it's staying plump. So let's just get these off of here. I had way too much, sausages and stuff. We all want to try one. I think these sausages are going to be good. Can't wait to get them in here. Alright, so these are going inside. I guess you just got to get to know your grill. Alright, so we're going on with our burgers, and we're going to see if these suckers can sear. Salt side down. And back on, some more salt. And pepper. And let's close this down. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes, so let's take a look. See. Alright, let's look what we got now. Let's see if the bottom is like a hamburger. Not bad, right? It's a pellet grill, guys. We got sear marks. Let me bring you guys in a little closer in case you can't see that. You're there. Yeah. I mean, it's not like if it's on a gas grill, but if you only had to have just one grill, yeah, why not? Let's bring this in so we can get a better look at this. All right, so we're gonna let this go another 5 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, I almost forgot to toast my buns. We're about 2 minutes away from 5 minutes on that side. Let's just go ahead and toast our buns. Put these here. See how those do. Okay, it's been a few seconds and we're about a minute away from, let's see what we got on board. Our bun go. Look at that, guys. You see that? It's toasted already. And I mean, it's barely been, these are coming off. I don't want to burn them. So, that question of whether you can toast these or not. Alright, so that's done. I'm going to do a temp check. 1 123, 131. It's not going to be done enough for us, so we're going to give these a flip. Now it does take a little bit longer here now, okay? And if you was over hot charcoal, because that is probably going to be upwards of 700 or 800 degrees. So, all right, we're back. It's been about another 2 minutes, 3 minutes or so. Let's give these a flip. Now this is the hottest part of the grill right here. One, two, I'm gonna do 2 each. All right, and I'm gonna pull this one and going in on our plate. So guys, can a Traeger Ironwood 2nd generation make burgers? Toast buns? I'm going to say yes. There it goes. See it? Juicy. Nice and juicy. So can a Traeger make a burger? The answer to that question is yes. Let's give it a taste. That's juicy. Alright, so let's jump over to our sausage and hot dog. Guys, can you grill on a Traeger? Yes, yes you can. Even if that's the only grill you had, you can get by and do just about everything. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Check out some of these other videos and let's get cooking.